No idea what he said.
Me neither. Can you repeat that?
How are the brakes feeling so far?
To Patrick.
Yeah, no, it's Patrick.
Oh, that's better than when I came here. Sounds good, bro.
Okay, so there's improvement.
Just in case he sees anything weird.
Pick it up. Cooking through that. Fuck! It cut. We'll have to cycle the key. That's weird. Maybe because of the elevation change.
Yeah, maybe.
Patrick if he's good. He just flipped his lights. I hit cut. I gotta cycle my key when we get a straightaway, so I'll be going a little slow soon. That was close. Yeah, y'all almost got me and Pat arrested. A cop pulled out just as I was saying that. Is this a straightaway? Alright. We'll see if it hits it again. Hopefully not.
Hopefully not. Hopefully this guy waits. Yeah.
He waited. He turned the other way, but he pulled out just as I was telling you guys that, and I was kind of cooking with Pat, but then he flashed me. I don't know if his radar picked it up.
It's probably just like a warning. So just slow down. Oh, what's that glad we don't listen to that shit.
We gotta cool it. Unless the fan is on. Oh shit, the fan might not be working. I can't turn like him, so we're taking it easy there.
Yeah.
196. Radio to Lorenzo, we gotta stop to make the fan work at the next pull off.
We gotta stop to make the fan work in the next pull-off, Lorenzo.
Unfortunately, yeah.
Oh my god.
It cooks.
It cooks so hard.
Alright, we just gotta hit that shit with a wrench.
Oh man, we also need to wait for them, so.
Yeah. Or maybe I was just baking that hard. Hold up. Of course Javi's gonna go behind.
Of course.
way to try and catch them, bro. What the fuck? It's even funnier. He said he's on 700 tread wears. Tires for 70,000 miles doing that shit. Jesus. I give up, bro. I give up. I give up completely. Yes, they got stuck.
Just the cars in front of me slowed down.
God damn. These fucking guys, bro.
They do not hold back.
No, they don't. Like, it's ridiculous. I know the cars are better for it, but Jesus Christ, bro.
You know, on these roads, this car feels amazing.
Yeah, definitely better than the Dragon. Dragon's too tight for this fucking thing. This is not really built for that shit. And even if you build it, you know, you feel the weight. You know it's not like a thoroughbred for that. Like, it ain't no, you know, RX-7 or some shit like that. Here we go. Nah, they're wild, dude. They're wild. Nah. I'm not doing that shit. Fuck no. Look at the bumps and everything. They're insane.
Yeah, no.
Like, look at them, bro. No. Fuck that. Even Patrick slowed down.
Well, I mean, Patrick has to slow down. He has Myra in the car.
It's true. Jesus Christ, bro. No, they're fucking crazy. They're insane. You guys are fucking demons, bro. What the fuck was that? With like 100 horsepower or whatever the fuck that is. No.
I paid for 7,500 RPM, so I'm gonna use 7,500.
I was getting up there in mine too. This fucking guy, bro. Is it tossing it like this? Yeah, the car feels good, but it's not gonna do that.